The kids door-to-dooring, and all over town, blood sugar was soaring.
Give me your candy!
I'm off to a party. My outfit is chic. It's a Catwoman costume and shoes unique. Just rest on the sofa. I'll be home by 10.
We have some candy.
Just one M&M.
Then we heard a loud crash. We were tempted to scat. And we looked and we saw him. The Fat in the Hat!
I'll save Halloween for you three grumpy tots. Just stick out your rumps for some mum-stuffing shots. Now hop on my cycle, there's nothing to fear. And we shall have candy. And maybe some beer. You should not be here when their mother's away. And you should be dead, you're so wrinkled and gray. I'll give you the business, you yellow sea cow. This dog getting older will... Where am I now? They'll fix up this mix-up in 2 minutes flat. With the helpers I've hidden right under my hat. I knew there was something I left off my list. Without food, air, and water, they cease to exist.
I am the Borax. I speak for the woods, but I've plastered my likeness on consumer goods.
Pull out.
How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be?
Trick or treat!
Who buzzed the buzzard? Don't pester the rich. I don't hand out candy, you son of a gritch.
He pulled out bamboozlers and side-wiping hizzles. He laughed as he heard that old codger's house sizzles.
Let this be a lesson to those who love cash, that your nice stash of cash could be gone in a flash. And if you are awful and nasty and cruel...
Enough with the lessons. This isn't a school.
How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny.
I don't got no candy, I only serve beer. And who said that you could bring minors in here?
Your peanuts are poured through, your beer smells like skunk, and you just pissed off the wrong fat furry drunk.
Ah! Hey, this is supposed to be a children's story.
Go grab all his money and vodka and gin, and I'll knit a nice snort from his leathery skin.
Say, Mr. Hat, I don't mean to complain, but you promised us candy, not mayhem and pain. The dude thought a while, then said,
I know a man with an overpriced store who'll give all that he can.
Take whatever you want, I don't want any trouble. Take gyms that are slim and gum up the bubble.
I won't shoot you now, 'cause I found something crueler. An afternoon off with 8 kids and Manjula. Torture?
How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be?
don't forget me! We had to escape from this behatted mammal. So we hitched us a ride on a 3-hump gumbamel. A gumbamel's a camel, but faster and humbler. It doesn't take tips, and it's never a grumbler. So if you must leave in a kind of a scramble, then jump on the hump of a humble gumbamel. But if the gumbamel should ramble and stumble, then just hop atop a cruciferous crumble. But then if that crumble should happen to tumble, just call your amigo the bee-man a bumble.
Ay!
We thought we'd escaped from our psychotic guide, but when we got home, he was waiting inside!
I'm staying forever. You're all stuck with that, 'cause I'm your new daddy, the fat in the...
Ah!
I'm frightened of nothing, not even hellfires. Just don't let me ever be played by Mike Myers.
Now please do not worry, 'cause we did okay. Yes, kids will get candy, whatever you say.